Ask Tom on Home Show.
Joshua from Kingwood has air conditioning concerns.
Well, he just had some new AC installed, Tom, and that's where his concerns begin. Joshua writes to us, we live in an 1,800 square foot, one-story home with two big vaulted ceilings, and they installed a 3.5-ton 14-seer air conditioner. And I leave it set at 74 degrees, and my humidity stays at about 55%. And the AC is cycling on and off about every 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Now, does that sound like I'm in the correct performance ranges, or is it possibly too big or too small? I don't want mold, I don't want humidity issues, and I don't want run cycles, or for my compressor to wear out, he says, from cycling so much. What do you say?
Well, I wish I had one of those poppers that you use at birthdays where the whole thing pops, because it's perfection. It is perfect. And one of the things that's happening today is people get new air conditioners who really pay attention to it. A lot of people don't, is your run cycles go quick. Because your new thermostats are only going to measure about a half a degree at the most difference, and then boom, that thing's coming right back on. So it never plays catch up. They become so efficient that they just come on and off and just kind of maintain a balance of your system, which is great. 55% humidity for Houston, perfect as far as that goes. 78 degrees at 55% humidity, you should be quite comfortable, and it should come on and off just to keep it at that perfect temperature. So the old thermostats would go down 3, 4, 5 degrees, then have to do the whole house and get it back up to temperature, even 2 degrees. That's a lot of work and a lot of money you spend for no reason. So it's perfection, and you should just enjoy it. And the idea that if a compressor comes on and off a lot hurts it, it does not. Compressors are meant to do that. They can run, they test them where they turn them on and off, on and on, on and off in all the testing labs. And they also test them to run constantly for years at a time and never shut off. Those compressors are pretty indestructible if your system is set up right.
So his air conditioning is A-OK.
Man, I hope AirTech put it in. If they didn't, whoever put it in should be very proud.
All right. And you can be proud. You want to know if you should be proud about your house? Here's the recipe. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on the blue Ask Tom button. Send us your question. Fill this out, send it in. We'll send a question out just like this. Tom and I post a new one of these videos every day. We have for years, and you can find the entire library of them on our YouTube channel at HomeShowRadio.com's YouTube channel. And if you want to see what's new and get a lot of other helpful information, go visit our website at HomeShowRadio.com.